you know me, I don't usually mess with news like that stuff, like this stuff here, but this one is wicked. This is 24-year-old guy driving a truck, no CDL. 23 illegal immigrants in his sleeper. 23 illegal immigrants. You gotta check this out.
Yes, sir. Can you show me 1038 here with a white Bobtail, no 28?
You have a CDL?
I do, but like I said, I didn't. I don't have a picture of it on me.
Not right now. Okay. In terms of
I don't have a picture of it on me right now. That was a quick response right there. Like he's had to say that before.
the violations, you don't have a CDL and you're operating a motor vehicle. You're not supposed to be driving a commercial motor vehicle. Okay, and who are you calling right now? I'm just curious.
Calling my lawyer.
This dude, he don't have a CDL, but he's got a lawyer. Like whoever put him in that truck says, "Don't worry, we got a lawyer for you if you get in trouble or something." Why would he say that? Maybe he's calling the guy that promised him that I got your back. Just take these guys wherever I say go. All right, let's see.
Your lawyer? I can't reach. Open it. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Hey, no se mueva. No se mueva.
Oh boy, I was excited for him to open that curtain. I didn't know what would happen, but that's what happened.
No se muevan. No se muevan. Nadie. Están todos rodeados.
Man, these are a bunch of men laying on top of each other for who knows how long, man. I mean, that right there says they're probably not going to get along here, especially in trucking. That kind of stuff, it's very European.
Get more out. Okay.
Makes you wonder how many people in the back of this truck, this is not their first trip or second. Maybe they've made this trip a few times. It's probably not the first time they're getting busted.
Ponte tus manos en tus cabezas, ¿ok? Ahorita vamos a sacar.
I don't think that they're thinking to themselves, man, I just lost all that money. I don't think they get sent back, do they? I think they get to stick around. They made it. They're home free, right? I don't know. Maybe, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that was some. Maybe I saw that wrong. Maybe I read it wrong. Let me know in the comments if I read that one wrong, because there's a chance I'm not that bright.